welcome back to a Sunday video. I am your YouTuber, Xtreme Gamer. I am back playing the Disney Dreamlight Valley, and I'm going to be finishing Piglet's quest, and I hope you enjoy the video, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so the last video I did with Piglet, I picked everything that I needed to for him. But I have changed a lot of things in the valley. So my house is in here now, as you can see. And everything over there I have moved as well. So now I have to craft a pickle popper potion. I thought it said pepper. So let's go and do that. Oh. Hold on. It says craft, but I need more of those. Okay, well, let's do that then. Looks like I need more of the driftwood, so I'm going to do that. Okay, well, I did not expect that. Okay, so we got a few here. I have a lot of quests that I need to do, like with Ralph. I haven't done him yet, but like I said, guys, I'm gonna try doing Ralph after Piglet is done. And I have to do Winnie the Pooh, and I think Eeyore has a quest for me. Oh, I moved Pooh's house right over here, so we're pretty much good. Alright, so yeah, I gotta find some driftwood. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, there is a couple driftwood. I don't know how many I needed. Alright, so first, he's over there, Piglet's over there, so if it's a short video, guys, I may do 2 quests. I don't know for sure, but we'll see. If not, then do it for next video. Any more driftwood? I'll go over by the bridge. I don't see it anymore. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, let's just go back. I guess I should ride my horse because they're a lot faster than walking. Hold on, Piglet. Sorry, I gotta get rid of these little inks, whatever you may call. Oh my gosh. I'm going the wrong way. What is happening today? Okay, I'm gonna do this instead. I'm gonna go back. Perfect. Do I have enough? I'm hoping so. Perfect, yes. Okay, I only needed 5. Now it says, use the prickle popper potion from your inventory. Okay. Use it. I'll say, clear the twist roots around the bubbling pond. You got it. This is gonna take a while for me to run. Oh, Ralph is right beside Winnie the Pooh's house. Hey, Ralph. Hey, my man. How's it going? Hi. Like I said, I would do his quest very soon. Okay, almost there. I have to unlock the other island for this, but I'm hoping so. Okay, Piglet, I'm here. Well, I guess my shovel. Here we go. Ooh, I'm gonna collect these. I don't care. And then it said 4, but there's still more. Okay, 1 second, Piglet. Let me Let me just get rid of these. Okay. Now to talk to Piglet about restoring the bubbling pond in the Braveheart Grove. Okay. Oh my, the thorny things are gone. The bubbling pond looks much friendlier already. Nice work, Piglet. We couldn't have done it without you. Oh, I guess I did help, didn't I? That feels rather nice. And now we can finally fix the last sound. I do hope the woods will sound like itself again. It will. I just need to gather a few things. Oh, good Lord. First, to get the bubbling pond fixed. Okay. No. So I need tree, honey. Okay, I forget the tree raising. Let me just... I forget... Oh, I think I know where that is. Okay. I know what to do, so I gotta dig. I need 10. Hello, Merlin. Alright, so we just gotta gather. Yeah, I'm gonna make so many holes. Like, I don't want to do that, but I have to. Ooh, I'm getting close. Oh, I got it all. Now, I'm gonna fix the holes later. Now, I know where to get these. Let's go in here. Okay, found one. Perfect. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, there's another crafting table. Oh, another one. I only need 4, so that's fine. Nope, that's a shiny one. I don't need a shiny one. Okay, here's another. Okay, alright, so I'll go back to the valley. Okay, I'm going wrong way, am I? Yep. I think I saw one had a gem in it. Oh, it's over here. Yeah, Merlin has a quest for me. I think it's just like a festival, maybe. I don't know. Alright, let's... Perfect. Alright, I just gotta find another... Let's go over here. Nope. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna check like on the cliffs. Oh, here's one. Still, okay. Looks like my energy is starting to wear out. Hold on, I'll go back in my house to get my energy back. Okay. Pretty sure there's another one over here. Yep. Now this is gonna be hard. I'll check up here. Usually we get a lot here. Oh, we got one right here. Perfect. All right, we need one more. I'm trying to, like, you know, upgrade this thing, but I'm trying to find these little white flowers, even though I can't find them. All right, let's try this one. Nope. Okay. Nope, nothing there. There's another rock. Goodness, still nothing. Well, I'll keep trying until I get the last one. Oh, man. Hey, Ralph. Maybe there's some over here. Yeah, this is gonna take a while because I need one more. Oh, that sucks. Now I have, ow, really, Ralph? Really? Ugh, you're like pushing me. Okay, well, it looks like I may have to wait till they respawn. Oh, hey, Pooh Bear. I don't think there'll be any rocks over here, but I'll check. No. Man, okay. Well, guys, I'm going to be right back. I'm just going to wait until the rocks have respawned. And once they do, I'm going to get my last of that gem. Alright, guys, I'm back. And I gathered all the gems I need, so... It says, insert with the bubbly pond in the Braveheart Grove to begin repairing it. Alright, let's go. And I found my last white flower that I needed to build the shop, so... Oh, and Ralph was coming with. Hi, Ralph. Alright, let's fix this pond and get the forest look awesome again. And peaceful, too, because it's very cloudy. Alright, Piglet, I'm back. Okay, So we need all this stuff. Oh, and some leaf. Oh, look at how beautiful. Oh no. Whoa, what is happening? Oh, there's a note. What is happening? Pick up the mystery note. Okay. That was weird. What does it say? I think when everybody sticks together, even the weirdest places can feel warm and safe. Okay. It says, what was that? Talk to Piglet and friends about what just happened. Yeah. Hey, guys. Oh, dear, that wasn't the sort of sound I was hoping for. And that rumbling wasn't the sort of rumbling my tummy makes. If it wasn't Pooh's tummy, don't know what it could be. Xtreme Gamer, that little note, was there something important on it? Nothing important. Oh, Xtreme Gamer, is everything going to be all right? Absolutely, I know exactly what to do. Thank goodness, that sounds very reassuring. Either way, there's one place that's always helped us before. Is it somewhere with honey? The ever-rogue tree. Whenever the woods get fogged up like this, the ants tend to be there. back to the tree, it figures. The ever-rogue tree does seem like a very helpful sort of tree. Exactly. If the woods are resisting us, we need to get straight to the sorceress. Then that's what we shall do. Okay. So... Oh, I gotta go in here. I was like, where? But right here, yes. Okay. Maybe this is gonna be a long video. Ugh, I'm touching my bear. Coda. Ugh. Okay, there we go. There should be an entrance to the ever-rogue tree, but it looks like we need keys to open it. Aww. Do you happen to know what the keys are supposed to look like, Xtreme Gamer? Okay, well, we're gonna skip them. Oh, he's gave me something. Okay, chapter 8. Oh, right. So, talk to Piglet and friends about the Evertree. Okay, guys. So, yeah, I think that is it for Piglet. If you guys want me to continue with Piglet's quest, let me know in the comments below. But, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. And we will get back with Piglet's quest. Bye for now.